What is up everyone, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. Octavi OS, the latest official version, which is v1.5, is now officially available for many devices. I have installed it on my Redmi Note 9 Pro, which is a mere tool build, so can be installed on Redmi Note 9 Pro, Redmi Note 9s, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max and Poco M2 Pro. This build has many UI changes. As you can see in settings, we have different kind of things available, and about phone UI etc is changed. The previous version was good also, but this one is far more great than the previous one. Why this? So it has many cool kind of things available, new UI, and also the battery backup is looking good. Also performance is quite great, Bluetooth etc seems to be working. I'm gonna share with you my preferences about this custom ROM. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Guys, first of all, let's take a look at the About Phone UI v1.5 Octavi OS official version, which right now I have installed, and in my hands I have Redmi Note 9 Pro. Maintainer is Lokesh. We have the latest security patch of 5th of January 2021. So the latest update is now here. You can install this if you want to. Talking about the other things, this has two builds available, the Google Apps build and the non-Google Apps build. If you are interested in the vanilla build, you can install that and install Google Apps on your own. Or if you want to install this Google Apps build, like in my case I have installed that, you can install this one. And if you're looking for the things which you get in the Google Apps build, of course this is a Google Apps build, and if you go for the app info option, you have this Pixel launcher pre-installed. And if you're noticing one thing, if you go here, you'll see these kind of dividers options available here. So this is a very interesting UI change which you get in Octavi OS, but you get this thing in other custom ROMs also. Octavi is also one of those custom ROMs. Pixel launcher of course has some little bit of things available. Going for the things which you get here, you can see there's a new brightness slider option available. You can adjust this, and this one is very interesting kind of looking brightness slider. If you apply any kind of accent color, for example in my case I have applied the red accent color, you'll see this, and this one will also be changed. But yes, if you're looking for these fonts, these are not pre-installed. I have applied a Magisk module for that. I'll try to provide you the Magisk module for these fonts if you're looking for it. Quick settings which can be customizable very easily. You can adjust the rows and columns or whatever else you are looking for, and this is the users option available. You can adjust between users, multi-users option available here. It's up to you if you want to enable it or disable it. This option is available in the settings. Going for the battery stats, we have this 53% battery still left here. Active drain is 6.46% per hour, which is not bad but not great also. But if you're looking for the idle drain, it's looking like 2.89%. Don't focus on this because it will be rearranged if I left my device for the whole night, because that was not possible. So that's why we have this. Active drain is 6.45% per hour, which is okay, not great, not bad, but it's usable very easily, up to you. Looking for the things which you get here, in my case I'm using the Magisk latest version. v21.1 is the version which right now I have installed on my device, and if you go for the SafeNet status, by default it will not pass the SafeNet, so you'll not be able to use the banking apps. But yes, if you apply that hide props config option, hide props config module from this module section, or you can also hide the Magisk from the settings, then you'll be able to pass the SafeNet status without any issues. Let me show you which module I'm talking about. I'm talking about Magisk hide props config. I've also applied this fonts theme here. If you're looking for these fonts, you can search for them, and if you don't find it, I'll provide you the link in the description, and if I forgot, just ping me in the comment section. I'll try to provide you the link. Other things same here, didn't got any kind of things. But if you go for the settings, here we have some UI changes. We already know that Octavi OS has some cool kind of UI, but here now finally, in the previous build there was some issue. You'll not be able to see your name here, but now in this build we have this name option available, and this is the line which always change. I am an excellent housekeeper, sorry, but this is what they wrote so far. And now as you can see, I'm not insulting you, I'm describing you. These are some things, some codes which you will see every time whenever you enter your device settings. I'd like to help you out and something like that. Network internet connected devices, accounts etc seems to be same kind of UI which you get in the previous Octavi OS builds, but accent color which I right now I've customized. You already noticed that these were the options were available there, but now it's shifted there because it's Octavi OS, that's why. And now in the Octavi lab, what we have is we have Octavi theming stuff, which was not available in the previous builds but now added in this build, where you can customize your accent picker, dark theme, fonts, icon shape, icon pack, and all like that. Other things same here, we already know. If you go here, let me show you, let me tell you what I was talking about. This one is a welcome whenever you open Octavi Lab. This was also available in the previous builds, but this seems to be really nice kind of UI. Octavi Lab has some cool kind of features which you can adjust, VoLTE, Wi-Fi icons, etc. Battery backup I've already shown you. Display has the same kind of features which you were looking for, sound, apps, and etc. Same here. Security, as the fingerprint and face unlock both are added. App locker is not available, but don't worry about that. We have the system option, about phone option, digital well-being, Google, etc. Same kind of things are options are available. The best thing is, let me tell you one more thing. If I have just disabled that navigation bar option from here, and now I don't see any kind of IME spacer, so this seems to be really good. And this is not because of any kind of module. I have not installed any module or any trick yet, so this is quite fine, and you will be able to use this without any issues. I'm using Google board. You can use any other keyboard also, but I prefer to use the Gboard. That's why I have installed this one. If you're looking for the installation, it's quite simple and easy. Just install the build and reboot your device, and if it is not able to boot, you can simply format data, and it's quite easy. Very easy to install, so I'm not going to show you the installation. This was all from today's video. I hope you like this. If you like this Octavi OS and want to install this on your device, the link for this build is in the description. This is all. Thanks for watching and goodbye.